komishonas mag duol mochung'ne yiero kod kiewo IEBC dhi nyime ka odiechieng' ma kawuono ne ochak kod Ibrahim Rashid Adan mawuok e kaunti ma Mandera. Maromo ji 11 ne oro kwayo 111 ne oro kwayo mar kawo thuolo 6 mag komishona mag IEBC. Wawinjane kaka chenrono chalo gie sani.
You are not talking about Mr. X because of any other issue, but because of the relevant, let's say, targets and the history about it and so on. So that the other person, the higher person than me, can understand it, and then now you give your input of what you want to do for that turnaround. And still, it's not that easy. It is challenging. It is frustrating.
I hear you, and many a time, globally, and including in Kenya, when a woman is of strong character, she's called Iron Lady. Are you an Iron Lady?
Yes, I will say it with the emphasis of a yes.
Right now, as we speak, 3 women former commissioners, rightfully or wrongly, are living in exile. That's why I'm asking you. Because what you are going to is no kids' play. 3, for whatever reasons, are right now living in exile. Do you want to have second thoughts about applying for this job?
No.
Thank you, Chair.
Okay. Do you have some final questions?
Sure. I'll be biased on this one and ask you a question relating to gender. Who was the first female president in Africa, and which country did she lead? But we can pass. Country? Microphone. Put your microphone and repeat the answer.
Yeah. Okay. It was Salif Johnson. The country now. I pass. Yeah.
The country I pass. Let me ask you one which is not so much in your territory, but which